my part 1 video about osmosis to learn better about the concept. I have a glass of distilled vinegar. Slowly, I am going to put in the egg. Observe the reaction of the vinegar on the egg. Can you see the bubbles? This is the process of vinegar dissolving the shell of the egg. We shall leave the egg inside the vinegar for some hours to see the results. I left the egg inside the vinegar for 48 hours. After 48 hours, we can see the eggshell have already dissolved. The egg looks bigger and a little rubbery too. Can you see the difference? This is because the water in the vinegar is highly concentrated compared to the water inside the egg. So the egg membrane allowed the water from the vinegar to move inside the egg, causing it to look much bigger than the actual size. Now, let's try to extend this experiment to another step. I have a glass of corn syrup and I am going to soak this egg inside it. Let's leave it for some hours to see the results. Check out the size after the egg soaked in the corn syrup. Osmosis causes the water to move out of the egg and into the corn syrup until both solutions have the same concentration of water. I hope you like my video and please check out all of the other videos in my channel. Thank you for all those who subscribe to me, and if you have not done so, please do it by clicking the subscribe button once. Bye!